Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect a third-party domain to a Squarespace website. Connecting a third-party domain to your Squarespace website is a crucial task for anyone looking to enhance their website's professionalism and brand identity. By linking your own custom domain, you make your site appear more credible and tailored to your business or personal brand. Today, we'll be breaking down this process into simple steps so you can easily follow along and have your domain connected in no time. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your personal credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your websites and projects under Squarespace. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to find the specific one you want to link your third-party domain to. This is important to ensure you're connecting the domain to the correct website. Once you've identified the right site, look for the three dots icon next to it. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this menu, you'll want to choose the Settings option, which will take you to the configuration area for your selected site. This is where you'll make all the necessary adjustments to integrate your domain. Now that you're in the Settings panel, keep an eye on the left side, where you'll see a menu labeled Domains and Email. Click on this to enter the Domain Management section. Here, you can handle all matters related to your domain, including integrating a domain you've purchased from another provider. Click on Domains to proceed further. This section serves as the hub for all activities regarding party domain that you already own. Find and click on the option that says Use a domain I own. This indicates to Squarespace that you'll be linking a domain you acquired elsewhere, rather than purchasing a new one through them. You will now be prompted to input your domain name in the provided field. Carefully type it in, ensuring there are no errors or typos, and then press Enter. After you submit your domain name, the system will take a moment to process and verify it. This verification step is crucial, as it ensures that the domain you're attempting to connect is valid and ready to be linked. Be patient during this process. Once the loading is complete, a button labeled Connect Domain will appear. Click on this button to move forward to the next step. You'll then be asked to select your domain provider from a list of options. Choose the provider where you originally purchased your domain, whether that's GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another registrar. This selection helps Squarespace provide you with the correct DNS settings, tailored to your specific provider. After you make your selection, click Connect Domain again to confirm your choice. A confirmation screen will pop up, and you'll need to click Continue to proceed with the connection process. It is important to note that this entire connection process can take up to 48 hours to fully complete. This is due to DNS changes needing time to propagate across the internet. During this waiting period, your domain may not immediately direct visitors to your Squarespace site, so don't worry if it doesn't work right away. After the initial connection has been made, you may need to configure your DNS settings if necessary. Squarespace will provide you with specific instructions based on your domain provider, which usually involves adding certain records to your domain's DNS configuration. Follow these instructions carefully to ensure a successful connection. And there you have it. You've successfully started the process of connecting your third-party domain to your Squarespace website. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to leave a like and comment below. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to connect a third-party domain to a Squarespace website. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.